Hi everyone. So welcome to my birthday vlog. And as you can see the change in my hair color, I have got this color recently, which was yesterday only. I thought of starting my birthday vlog from the hair color itself, but as usual, I bhul gayi and I was feeling so uncomfortable while shooting. So yeah, I think it's suiting me. Like people are saying it is suiting me. It is kind of a cherry red color, which I wanted like cherry red brunette, but they had this, and I guess it's not that bad. So yeah. अभी हम लोग निकले हैं वडोदरा एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो सीन वन कैफे इन वडोदरा बिकॉज आई नीड गुड पिक्चर्स इन माई आउटफिट. मैं आउटफिट डीट्स आपको बाद में बताऊंगी जब मैं उतरूंगी बिकॉज करंटली आई एम वेयरिंग दिस क्या बोलते हैं जैकेट एंड या एंड ऑल्सो आई एम वेयरिंग माई कैप्रिकॉन लॉकेट टुडे chain locket whatever it is, so because it's my birthday and I'm a Capricorn girly, so yeah. Yes, तो अभी हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए रुके हैं and we'll go and have breakfast and also सन में मेरे बाल और अच्छे लाइक प्योर चेरी रेड कलर दिखता है. So yeah, feels amazing. ऐसा लगता है कि I entered my red paddy era like my brother said that, so yeah, I'm liking it. And also she did some styling as compliment for my birthday. Yeah. So guys, the best part about Gujarati breakfast is I have dhokla and khandvi, and khandvi is one of my favorite Gujarati foods. Love being Gujarati. मुझे येलो वाले ज्यादा पसंद है, ये थोड़ा कम. थैंक यू मम्मी. ये मेरे ड्रेस के साथ मैचिंग हो रहा है. आई एम लविंग दिस. ये काढ़ा हो. शंख बोल रहा है तो पास सोचा. शंख मीन्स आई थिंक हिंदी में भी शंख ही बोलता है बिकॉज इट इज लुकिंग लाइक दैट. फुट केવું લાગે તમને? Nice. They usually don't have Italian, but now they are having Italian. Now मेरे पापा ये croissant खाने वाला है. खाओ. शंख खाओ તમારી ભાષામાં. તમે ખાધો નથી નહીં પહેલા. पापा को क्या खाने को बोल रही हूँ? पापा क्या पोज मार रहे हैं?
એના જેવા થઈ ગયા અમે જેવા. बढ़िया.
Cheers, guys. Cheers. रिसोर्ट एंड अभी मम्मी पापा आर जस्ट हैविंग चाय और कॉफ़ी. मेरे को पीने नहीं थी बिकॉज मैंने वहाँ कैफ़े में ही पी ली थी. एंड लुक एट मी, मतलब कुछ किया नहीं है मैंने, सिर्फ ट्रैवलिंग किया. उससे मैं इतनी टायर्ड हो गई हूँ बस बैठे बैठे. आई ऑल्सो ड्रोव फॉर लाइक 60 किलोमीटर्स एंड उसके बाद आई गेव पापा को चलाने के लिए. तो आई एम एक्चुअली लाइकिंग माय हेयर. इवन इन द पिक्चर्स इट केम सो गुड. लाइक मेरे बाल, मेरे क्या बोलते हैं, बैग एंड हील्स सब मैचिंग हो रहा था विद द चेरी रेड कॉम्बिनेशन एंड दिस येलो पॉप अप कलर. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस रूम इज आई विल शो. वेट, जस्ट लविंग दैट. ओपन ही नहीं हो रहा. नाम इतनी जोर से मैंने बंद कर दिया. ओके गाइस, सो जस्ट लुक एट दिस. यहाँ पे लाइटिंग इतनी अच्छी आ रही है एंड यस आई एम व्लॉगिंग विथ माई छोटू सा कैमरा. बंद हो रहा है. सो या गाइस, this is how my cute fit is looking and also it's so good. I wanted sunflower for like many days. कैमरा में क्वालिटी तो बहुत अच्छी आ रही है. Worth buying it for the vloggers. Thank you. and it's time to check out from this hotel or resort. So abhi before leaving I just wanted to show you the whole room tour and also the outside of the resort because it is so good, and actually the property is really good. Here is the entrance, and here is a full double king side bed, and then यहाँ पे they have also given us sitting area जहाँ चाय और कॉफ़ी पी सकते हैं, and यहाँ पे there is a lake view actually. Currently because of fog you guys can't see it, but थोड़ा clean area में I'll show you and I'll also show you from outside. But yeah, and यहाँ पे लोगों ने TV दिया है, यहाँ पे ये area बैठने का वगैरह. Here is the tea area, and then again there is one more mirror over here. And also another thing which I found so cute was this छोटा mini shampoo bottle, this shower gel and the moisturizer. I'm feeling like stealing this. and यहाँ पे छोटा सा soap भी दिया है इन लोगों ने. सोप का तो पता नहीं, बट these three are so cute. This was the room tour. अभी हम लोग को ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए लेट हो रहा है, so I'll just go quickly to have my breakfast. आज का plan it's a simple, like we are not gonna explore much over here. Our plan is pretty simple, like we'll go to Valley of Garden, Statue of Unity, the main thing, and also there is a viewing gallery at top of the statue if I'm not wrong. I'll let you know in the vlog. So yeah, let's go. And also guys, कल हमारे plan की बहुत सारा पोपट हुआ था. I forgot to say about that. So yesterday we thought of going to cruise for dinner. Like there is a Ekta cruise for dinner, which is like a 2 hours of ride, which will go to Narmada Ghat and the Statue of Unity for showing the laser show. Also there were many tourist points which will cover in that cruise while having a dinner. So हमसे ये गलती हो गई थी कि हम लोगों ने 6 बजे book नहीं किया. We were supposed to book that before, so for the end time for booking was 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. in the evening, but we reached hotel around 5:30, and then we were like, it's the cruise timings are till 8:15, 10 o'clock, so we'll book it after the Narmada Aarti, or we'll just go directly over there and we'll book it. Also called to helpless and found out that there is no booking for the day, so that was sad because I was expecting my birthday dinner to spend on that cruise. तो जब हम लोग नर्मदा आरती देख रहे थे तब हम लोगों ने देखा and it was pretty cool actually. I think I have added that clip. रात में ज़्यादा कुछ दिख नहीं रहा था, but it was actually nice. So I miss that. Maybe with Chandral when we'll come over here we'll go and have that experience. So yeah, so वो experience की वजह से we have already booked our ticket for the Statue of Unity and the gallery. Like we have taken a express ticket so that we don't have to stand in that queue, and we'll directly go to the museum or whatever there it is. So yeah, this is the update I wanted to give. So only one tip I'll say you if you're gonna visit Statue of Unity, pre-book everything and then come, because it is changing a lot, and it is also the hype is worth the hype, I believe. And yeah, it's good experience. You should come with your family. Also guys, I'm carrying this black purse with this to match my boots, and I think it is going perfect. So, and yeah, so it's time to leave. Bye resort. We started from the viewpoint. I mean, it's literally one of the tallest statues, so obviously expectations were there, but I don't know, thoda underwhelming sa laga. Like there were railings, grills, everything, but that clear open view wala feel hi nahi aa raha tha. So I was just standing there trying to see it properly and also trying to convince myself ki okay, yeah, this is nice, but then I didn't feel that good. So anyhow, I just went inside into the museum, and honestly that's where the things got little better. Like the museum was actually really well done. It's not a type of place where you just read something and leave. I felt like walking through it and exploring it. I also got a kind of a feeling like I am in some New York museum. It was actually good. Like they have shown how the statue was built and all those small details जो normally हम सोचते भी नहीं हैं, actually makes you stop for a second. And then I didn't even realize when I slowed down and started paying attention properly. And after that, I was just walking around the whole place, no plan, no rush, just moving from one spot to another, thoda exploring and thoda just taking it all in. And I think that ended up being my favorite part. Like, yeah, everything wasn't perfect, but so it was a good experience overall. Just look at this statue from the outside. It is the world's tallest statue I'm standing beside. I mean, the foot is so large. So yeah, I think this is the end of the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you again. Bye bye.